Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow, such a beautiful candle design holder. These are so cute. And you guys know I love anything glam. So we move into the next project. Looks like she's making some type of table tray. So she adds in these fairy lights. Another mirror. Wow. Okay, this is really cute. Very cool design. Wow. It looks so professional too. I love it. All right, so then we have an Ikea hack. So this is pretty much like a furniture flip here. So now she's adding in her own touches. We already saw the final result for this, and I think she does a really good job. She does kind of like the squiggly line trend, the cutouts. So she basically gave this like a modernized update with the way that she styled it. So cute. Wow. That's the before and this is the after. Absolutely love it. Very nice. And then we have a mirror hack. So this is where you're basically DIYing your own mirror wall. She goes with like these gold mirrors. Very nice. I feel like you can't really go wrong with this particular trend. Every time I've seen it done, at least on like TikTok and Instagram, it always comes out amazing. Alright, so then we have these faux books. So if you ever wanted to do like decorative books or whatever for your table, instead of spending like $100 for a Chanel book, I say make your own. Like make one that looks like a Chanel book. You know what I mean? Like you will save so much money and no one will know or care. So she does like a cute little like welcome home book. I like that she can put stuff inside of these too. Very cute. Spray paint DIY refresh. Okay, so I've always wondered about this. You see people on TikTok doing these like spray painted design, so I guess you have to refresh it every so often to make sure that it like stays, especially if it's outdoors. So she just does like a nice fresh repainting of the gold here. And yeah, it's outside, so it's like a nice little like side table here. Let's make this table. All right. Okay, so this one requires some woodwork. I feel like if you know how to work with wood, of course you would probably be able to build the table. I like the DIY table designs where people know how to like build the table out of like paint pots, plant pots, and baskets. I think those are interesting for those of us who don't know how to work with wood. This is a pretty long table. It almost looks like a bench to me. Oh, we didn't get to see the final result. Okay. I hate when that happens. Alright, so moving on to the next DIY. Got some paper plates here. They gave us like a quick glance of what they're making, but I completely forgot already what they showed. Oh, was this a vase? Wow, a vase made out of paper plates. That's pretty cool. And then spray painted gold. Wow. Now, if I saw this, I would never in a million years think that those are paper plates. That is crazy. I almost feel like this could be like a lampshade design too. Like that's where my brain is like going. Wow, very cool. I wonder how long that would last. Now just looking at it, it looks nice, but I bet if you like put, like touch it and stuff, it probably feels like flimsy. Flower mirror DIY. So these are all the items that she's using. The most important thing is definitely the clay, because that's how you're going to make the flowers. So she did like different sizes. And then she does end up painting them different colors. Gold, green, and blue. Interesting color scheme. Has a nice shine to it. Very pretty. Now those flowers look like they are very heavy, so it probably makes the mirror a lot heavier. But yeah, this is a nice, easy little project to try out. Oh, that's cute. And like I said, I think the color scheme is very unique, something different. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.